So here we got most of a 63 Triumph. It's complete car, but different years. We've taken the spark plugs out and poured Marvel Mystery Oil down in the cylinders after removing the spark plugs. Sprayed a little WD-40 in there. Got a little paint on some of the engine bay in it. So, gonna see if she will turn over soon. Solex carb, single carb on 4-banger motor. Got low back seats. Got the windshield back there, broken windshield. Got all the pieces, door panels, rear seat, spare tire. Got good tires on it.